Hey everyone, I am Bryce and today I am going to explain to you how to host the Wix website on Hostinger. Unfortunately, you cannot directly transfer a Wix website to Hostinger. You will need to create your website on Hostinger using Wix's content as a reference. If you haven't already, sign up for a hosting plan on Hostinger. Choose a plan that fits your website's needs and budgets. If you haven't already registered a domain name for your website, you can do so through Hostinger or use an existing domain name. After signing up, access your Hostinger control panel. You should receive login credentials from Hostinger via email. Using FTP or an online file manager provided by Hostinger, upload your website's files to the appropriate directory on your hosting account. This will typically be the public HTML directory. If your Wix website uses a database, you will need to recreate the database on Hostinger and import the necessary data. If you're using a domain name registered with Hostinger, you will need to point it to your hosting account. Update the domain's name servers to those provided by Hostinger. If you want to secure your website's HTTPS, install an SSL certificate on Hostinger. Many hosting plans include a free SSL certificate, which you can activate from your control panel. Once everything is set up, test your website to ensure it is working correctly. Make sure all pages load properly and there are no broken links or errors. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.